A Day's March is the brand that's trying to perfect the essentials for basic clothing for men. My name is Matthias and I work at A Day's March as Vice Manager. When I was in last work, the problem was that we had like this music set list that was really just one list. Yes, it was 20 songs and it played over and over day in, day out. And I mean, it sucked. So when we use Soundtrack here, it actually solved our problems here. With Soundtrack, we really get that new experience, but we don't have to search for the music by ourselves at our spare time or when it's hectic in the store. So it's so simple that it's like, why haven't this been here before? Give me the genre, give me the playlist, we can switch. I mean, I want simple. The soundtrack of A Day's March is soft, refining, new, interesting. And a really good thing is that we just press play and everything is just there. We don't have to go there and check, oh, what's the next song and everything. It goes really hand in hand, the Sonos and the soundtrack system. And it's great that we have 4 speakers because you really feel that bass, you feel the pump, so you always get the good vibe, and that's great. It gives a really surround feeling. You feel that you have the same volume everywhere you go in the store. It's perfect.